Hey, Rin. Lord Sesshomaru. It's Rin. I don't think she's breathing.
Please, Rin. You're safe now. Wake up. She cannot be saved.
What's wrong, Sesshomaru? You look so sad.
Did you know this would happen to Rin? Did you, Mother?
Is that how you feel, Sesshomaru? This is her last chance. You understand?
Rin!
You're back!
Lord Sesshomaru, you're here.
You're okay now, Rin.
I am.
Is Sesshomaru happy that I've brought her back?
Very happy, I presume.